Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven warms up, prepare your pie shell. If you're using a store-bought crust, follow the instructions on the package for pre-baking. If you're crafting a homemade dough, roll it out, fit it snugly into your pie dish, and crimp the edges to your liking. Now it's time to create the filling. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Stir these dry ingredients together until the flour and sugar are evenly distributed. Next, gradually stir in 1 cup of milk into your dry mix. It's important to ensure the mixture remains smooth and free of lumps. Once the milk is fully incorporated, add 2 tablespoons of melted butter and a teaspoon of vanilla extract, stirring thoroughly to combine. With your filling prepared, pour it into your prepared pie shell. Carefully place the pie in your preheated oven and bake for about 45 to 50 minutes. You'll know it's done when the filling is set and the top is slightly puffed and golden brown. Once out of the oven, allow the pie to cool completely on a wire rack before slicing. This step is crucial as it helps the filling set properly. The pie can be served at room temperature or chilled based on your preference. This recipe typically whips up 1 9-inch pie, enough to serve about 8 people, depending on how generously you slice it. The brown sugar pie is delightfully sweet, with a gooey filling that pairs beautifully with a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.